Roaring Skies, we had multiple wind damage reports and damaging winds impacting the area. The damaging winds were very intense yesterday, and the winds out ahead of this front was even more intense, enough where the National Weather Service was forced to issue a high wind warning. We have more details coming up here on Roaring Skies. Good morning, everyone. It is 12:50 in the afternoon on your Monday. We have this morning, we are continuing coverage on, you can count on some breaking news. First today, a EF1 tornado occurred in New Athens, Illinois yesterday. The National Weather Service confirming that a EF1 tornado impacted parts of the region. And this did hit the town that my Roaring Skies partner, Nicholas P-Store lives in. So there's a lot of damage today, including in southern St. Clair County where this tornado occurred. Also, some damage also occurred in Randolph County in Redbud. But we'll probably get more details for it later this afternoon. No clear damage reported in Percy or in sorry guys, my hair is being weird this afternoon I meant. Anyway, the EF1 tornado impacted the downtown area of New Athens, and we'll continue to follow details of more surveys going on throughout the day. The National Weather Service should be in Redbud this afternoon, surveying the damage there, just in case it is a tornado. Go to Facebook for more information on these threatening weather events as we continue today to learn more about that's terrible. Anyway, that's the main headline for today is numerous storms occurred in our region. We're going to also conduct our right now the EF1 tornado that was reported in New Athens was pretty much the only thing that we have seen today. So And then we have more information from areas of our northern counties. There was also a report of a destroyed carport just 1 mile southeast of Marissa that was reported as well. There was also and now we have another tornado that now we just got another report of an EF0 tornado that occurred. So let's go ahead and go into this report real quick because this is very important. So we did just get from the National Weather Service in St. Louis that a EF0 tornado occurred in that region. You guys probably already saw the track for the EF1 tornado that occurred earlier this morning. By the way, we will put it on the screen for you very quick here. So as we're looking at this, this is the look at the how this tornado touched down on the west side of town, and then the tornado lifted just as it was crossing the tracks outside of town. The tornado did leave some damage right by the elementary school area in New Athens. This tornado was on the ground for almost over half a mile. This tornado was on the ground, and we will continue to go ahead and cover this throughout the day as more information comes out. We did just get another survey out. An EF0 tornado occurred in Randolph and Monroe counties last night as well. The National Weather Service just completing that survey. I'm checking real quick if they do have the image for that out yet, which currently they do not, but we will get the information here soon enough. And 1 second, guys. Well, we're going to continue coverage on air and online. We're going to look at the damage assessment page real quick. So here is that track of that EF0 tornado that occurred in parts of Monroe and parts of Randolph counties. This happened just south of Redbud, south of the Redbud area and north of Ruma. So this hit near Ames, and it went ahead and went near Gregg and lifted just north of State Route 154. This tornado hit a church, and then continued to cross Route 3 and went ahead and went right by Richfield Road and continued on into parts of Randolph County. This storm, after going ahead and moving into Monroe County and into actually St. Clair County, there was a EF1 tornado that also occurred in that region. So the overall on this severe weather threat, a lot definitely happened within this threat. And that's the reason why yesterday we were on for 8 hours, including my TikTok. No, we are not under a tornado warning. I'm just live today, looking at surveys for storms that occurred yesterday. So there is no severe weather threat today for us. It's just a this is just an episode of Roaring Skies. So this is pretty much us reviewing what occurred yesterday. Again, here was the EF1 tornado that occurred yesterday. I'm going to take off my name tag here. We don't need the name tag. So we're going to continue doing that throughout the